Innovation is what happens when companies see how things are done and decide to push it forward. Fortress Railing has done just that with their AL13 Aluminum Panel system. A first-of-its-kind pre-welded aluminum railing collection, the AL13 system merges all the benefits of a durable aluminum with the effectiveness and ease of a panel system. Previously only sold in kits, aluminum rails typically arrive in a mess of pieces. Once you make sure you have everything you need, you have to begin piecing it together section by section. All of this labor on top of the possible lead time and the actual installation process, it can take you or your contractor days, even weeks, to get your railing up and ready. The AL13 system arrives in complete pre-welded panels and give you a dazzling, customizable look. No loose railings or balusters, just strength and safety in 3 easy steps. Simply lag your posts to your deck surface, secure your brackets at the proper levels, attach your AL13 panel, and you're all finished. Take away the guesswork and struggle with this uncomplicated, gorgeous collection, ideal for beginning builders and professionals alike. Covered by a lifetime limited warranty with a multi-layered powder coating process, this railing system is excellent for any environment and can weather even extreme elements. Available in 3 Fortress finishes: gloss white, gloss black, and textured black sand. The AL13 series also boasts an abundance of accessories, including post caps, lights, and accent panels to customize your space to your style. Fortress commits to providing railing known as much for its reliability as its beauty, and they guarantee all of their products meet the Fortress 5 criteria: quality, strength, innovation, versatility, and ease of installation. The entire AL13 system is in stock and ready to ship to you same day, right here at DecksDirect.com.
Hey, thanks for watching. My name is Mike and I'm part of the customer experience team here at DecksDirect. If you have any questions or comments, call us at 888-824-5316 or you can visit us at DecksDirect.com. And if you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear from you.